بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Eating through God following. Today we are going to talk about God teaching and following. Before we go forward, here we mention that God teaching is for everyone. Also we felt sorry that humanity has lost their pondering capability, but are more diversity to money earning, which has put humanity in such a backward that humanity has become money-making machine. We start with Zamzam water from Mecca in Yazrib. Experiment done by Dr. Masaru Emoto on this water, and it was found that it changes structure of any water to this form if they come in their contact. Similarly, in Islam has large teaching on how to eat, what to eat, and how to cook. As we are seeing in our Islamic teaching, that while cooking food, we should recite Bismillah all time or Quran. Why? The reason is saying that the reading of Quran is directly effective food particle or atom. Hence when this food is ate will bring a change in our structure toward godly way, and will bring love for truth, justice and God. However, most humanity is nowadays depend on fast food or food from restaurant. Let's see what effect it will bring. First we will start with restaurant owner. He has opened this restaurant to earn money. He is making good food, as much he can make, attract more customer, and to earn more money. Mean his aim is money making, as much as he can, in any way they can. When this food goes in our body, what this will bring? Greed and hunger for money. Our body molecule will be diverted toward greed of money making. While in Islamic teaching, we are always guided to read Quran while cooking, that our body is divert toward good, not toward evil, but toward Creator. Hence for humanity to prosper is to follow God teaching. Stop eating outside to protect yourself from greed. Even in party, even Islamic semina, try to make food within house. Make whatever you can make while reading Quran, not by bringing food which only bring greed for money only.
اللهم صل على محمد